This is the streets. This is
Road Warriors. Custom Diecast Racing.
First race tonight in Battle 3 is Warpig 76 in the purple Nurple. It's a Dodge Challenger weighing 80 grams. He's going up against Crazy Canuck in the Mini weighing 68 grams. Crazy Canuck has yet to score any points out of this tournament. The purple Nurple's holding the inside. An easy first win there for Warpig 76 with Crazy Canuck stuck out at turn 1 off. Oh no, here he is. He managed to get down somehow. I thought Crazy Canuck was stuck up at turn 1. There you go, surprises out of every race. Crazy Canuck is holding the inside, the purple Nurple on the outside. Warpig 76 too good out of race 1, and Crazy Canuck failing to get any points on the board. We still have a long way to go in this season, however, Crazy Canuck, you need some points, mate. Next up is the Huff, driven by 2D. This is weighing at 102 grams. The Trans Am going up against Crazy Jordan in the SBW weighing 76 grams. Crazy Jordan is driving for Hot Wheel Boys out of New Zealand. 2D's got the inside. "2D coming home in a very respectable time of an 8.80. Crazy Jordan not far behind him. The mighty Jaguar off to a slow start in season 3. Car swap lanes and Crazy Jordan's on the inside. "2D bringing home another 2 points for 100 proof racing. Crazy Jordan and that Jaguar got stuck up at a turn 1, and that slowed him down by hitting the rail. The Holden Commodore, driven by DJ Triple J. This car is slick and it's weighing 78 grams. Going up against Cadzilla, one of the heavyweights of this competition, coming in at a whopping 118 grams. DJ Triple J's got the inside. Another fast time tonight, an 8.760. Blue Line Racing gets his first points out of this race. DJ Triple J and Slick right on his heels. Blue Line Racing's got the inside. DJ Triple J hoping for a win. What a great battle that was. DJ Triple J trying to overtake Blue Line Racing out of turn 2. Unsuccessful. Blue Line Racing gets a big whopping 2 points here. Heading into battle 4. Mad Mike driving Max for NZ Racing in this green light Falcon that weighs 48 grams. He's going head to head with Marco Mappelli and El Toro weighing 64 grams for Cloaked After Dark Racing. Mad Mike's got the inside. Mappelli storming across the line. Mad Mike right on his heels, unable to overtake him down the stretch there. Lamborghini taking charge of that first race. Mappelli on the inside, Mad Mike on the outside. Mappelli taking advantage of that late speed. Big 2 points, and look at the bounce back there by Mad Mike. The mighty Falcon looking very mean indeed. Red Light Salvage Inc. in the 29 crew cab, 117 grams. The big Johnny Lightning going head to head with Skunk Works and Naked Evo, weighing 75 grams. This will be very interesting. We know how fast the Evos are. Can he outrun the 29 crew cab? He's certainly crossed in front of 29, and wow, that's a big stack. That's probably the biggest I've seen on Mountain Western Raceway. Oh, the punters, they're all down. Skunkworks holds the inside. Redline Savage Inc. on the outside. Another double tonight. Skunkworks and a rollover by Red Line Savage Inc. I'm surprised Skunkworks' car is still in one piece after that massive launch off the back wall. Next up, we have Payne MD in Sapphire for KCLH Racing. Monte Carlo SS going head-to-head with Lily the Dog and 100 Bones, weighing 56. Lily the Dog has shown some very early form out of these first couple of battles. Payne MD on the inside. A nice win there by Payne MD, and Lily the Dog was stuck up out of turn 1 with a 360. Getting out of turn 1 without hitting the wall is crucial in this competition. Lily the Dog driving 100 Bones has got the inside, Sapphire with Payne behind the wheel on the outside. A slow time, but a win is a win for Lily the Dog. And a late hit there by Payne MD and Sapphire. These two really battling it out in this race. Driving the flying brick for Fractal Panda is James Kirk. This is coming in at 104. Going up against him is Jack Sparrow in Black Pearl, 113, the Range Rover Vela. James Kirk has the inside. An easy walk across the line for James Kirk for Fractal Panda. Jack Sparrow with a rollover out of turn 2. Way too much speed coming out of that one. Jack Sparrow on the inside. Can he square this up? Jack Sparrow tying everything up out of this race, and James Kirk has been hit and pushed upside down. It's not so much the racing that the cars will get damaged, it's all the crashes at the end and also the stacks on the track. Metal Mania 3D is driving the VW Bug for Metal Mania 3D. This is the Welly Volkswagen going up against TJ Gonzo and Galactica. Sponsor is Arlo Racing. Let's get into it. Metal Mania on the inside, Gonzo on the outside. Only a car lengths in this one, but Metal Mania 3D takes that first race out. TJ Gonzo unable to overtake Metal Mania 3D. Gonzo in the inside, hoping to get a point on the board tonight. Metal Mania comes home again and takes the big 2 points, and a big flip over there by Arlo Racing with Gonzo behind the wheel. Unhappy in this race. Hot Car Track giving it another go on that 99 Holden. This one's coming at 55 grams. Big Holden Commodore. Going up against another Aussie, Cut Rock Racing and Turbo Fire. Turbo Fire having a great start to the season. Hot Car Track's got the inside. Cut Rock Racing too good for Hot Car Track, and the mighty Holden gets the first points out of this race. The Holden on some scrappy form lately. You never know, things might turn around. Cut Rock Racing on the inside. Hot Car Track waiting for the green. Hot Car Track stealing the show, getting a point and squaring everything up out of this race. Mate against mate, Australia against Australia. Cut Rock Racing wondering what he has to do to beat Hot Car Track. Here we go, second to last race. This is Poboy Racing in that fat fended 40, coming in at 83 grams. Going up against Chuck's Garage in Riveted. This is coming in at 79 grams, and this is sponsored by Chuck's Garage. This is a Hot Wheels. Poboy's got the inside, Chuck on the outside. The fat fended 40, too good for Chuck's Garage. Look at this bounce back. And he keeps going. Unbelievable. Chuck's Garage just watching that. The last race for these guys tonight. Chuck's on the inside, Poboy on the outside. Oh, that's pretty close to call. I think we might need to go back and freeze frame that. See who actually won that. Look at that bounce back there by Poboy. Let's have a look at the replay. Okay, from where I'm sitting, Poboy Racing got that only by a whisker. The last race in Battle 3. This is Tito Racing driving Sonic Evo, the Lancer Evolution. His opponent tonight is Lucas in the 219 Mercedes-Benz, driving for Justin A350. Tito Racing has the honours on the inside. Oh, what a great win there by Lucas. That was a fantastic battle. These guys are really going head to head. Tito Racing scratching his head going, what the hell happened down the back there? Lucas in the last for tonight. He has the inside. Tito Racing's got the outside. Tito Racing getting across the line, squaring everything up, and Lucas with a big spin out. And here he is. I thought he was lost up at turn 1. Lucas, congratulations for making it down, mate. Here's our leaderboard after Battle 4, the new scrolling version. 100 proof up top, Metal Mania in second place, Warpig third, Skunk Works in fourth, Poboy fifth, Fractal 6, Hot Car Track 7, Tito 8, Blue Line Racing in 9, and Red Line Savage Inc. in 10th place, and the rest of the field is scrolling through. Still a lot of racing to go, as I say each week, and we've still got 18 battles to go. Looking at our fastest time tonight, this was hurled by Warpig 76 in the purple Nurple, coming in at 8.6 even. Nicely done, mate. And the stack of the night tonight, you know who it is. Look at that big hit in the air he gets. We've got to do that again. We've seen some big stacks, but look at how high he gets. Ah, Skunk Works, that's classic. And those poor punters. Check this out. Whack. And let's go backwards because it looks good. That's a wrap on racing for tonight. Catch you later.
This is the streets. This is
Road Warriors. Custom Diecast Racing.